केरळाक सगळ्या कडल्यान मदत मेळपाक लागल्या। गोंय सरकाराने मदतीचो हात फुडें केला। गोयच्या गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षान ह्या लोकांक खातीर कांय आवश्यक वस्तू ट्रकान धाडल्यात। केरळाच्या लोकांनी ह्या ट्रकाचो स्वागत केलो। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
President of Chengla Grama Panchayat, and we the members of Chengla Grama Panchayat, we are welcoming the trek of Goa forward parties materials to the flood relief. First of all, I thank the Honorable Town and Country Planning Minister of Goa, Sri Vijay Sardesai, for providing the Kerala such a good materials over to the relief camp. And we also thank the Goa Forward Party for providing such as in this pathetic situation. You, the people of Goa, also take a part in our state for providing such a relief materials to our camp. So we all, we the members of Chengla Grama Panchayat, we are welcome and thank for you providing such a good situation and good materials and food to our people. So we all.
Dear brothers, nowadays Kerala is experiencing inexpressible hardship due to the flood and natural calamity. So lakhs of Kerala people are, they are lost. They have lost their houses. They have lost their relatives, and they have lost everything. Now they are staying in different relief camps. In this moment of sorrow and grief, we are happy when we understand that people from every nook and corner of the world are coming forward to help us. Especially we are thankful to the Minister of Minister of Town Development in Goa. He is the leader of Goa Forward Party, Mr. Vijay Sardesai. We have no words to express our gratitude for this fine gesture he has shown. In front of us, we are seeing two trucks full of clothes and food items. This Mr. Raj Malik, he is the youth wing leader of Goa Forward Party. He himself is proceeding to the relief camp. He is taking these goods to relief camp, and we are all grateful to this young leader and his followers who have assembled.